Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this over the course of 3 different days. I'm showing you how to do different styles of eyeliner, and yeah, this is the last look I did. It was the what's it called? Oh, just like felt tip liner, and I show you how to do the fox eye, but there's 2 other looks in here, so if you want to see how to do them, then you can keep watching, and if this isn't helpful, go watch James Charles's video because he explains it a lot better than I can. So yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so I obviously could have done this before I did my mascara, but I went out, but I'm doing the video now. Well, part of the video, the first part. Also, my mask like rubbed off the rest of my blush. I'm not redoing it, so we're just not going to talk about it. And my pimple right there, I don't really care. Yeah, I'm not wearing foundation. I'm just wearing like blush, and I had a little bit of concealer here, but anyway, that's not the point of this video. The first wing eyeliner moment that I'm gonna show you is the easiest one, or like the most subtle. I'm gonna start from the most subtle to like the more dramatic. So we're gonna start with just an eyeshadow wing. I'm gonna show you how to do a subtle wing first, and then I'll also show you the little fox eye that I do. So it's 2 separate ones, but yeah. So you're just gonna need an eyeshadow. You can use black if you want, but if you want to go more subtle, you can use brown. I'm gonna use brown today. I'm gonna use my Tati Beauty palette, but literally any brown shadow will work. If you use like a brow powder and your brows are brown, you can use that. I'm gonna take this shade. It's the Ritual Matte shade. It's just a matte brown. And I'm gonna take a spoolie brush. This is the Morphe X Nikita N7 brush. I'm not using the spoolie though, so any angled liner brush is perfect. And I'm just going to dip the brush in the powder, and then hopefully with my lashes you can still see, but basically you just want to take it from the corner and drag it out. Don't mind the fallout, I'll get rid of it, and you just want to drag outward like that, and then pull it in to kind of like finish it off, as you can see, and it just lifts you out. You want to go at an angle where it continues from your lower lash line. That's like the right angle to pull your eye out. So yeah, I'm just gonna dust it. Okay, that's not coming off. Cool. That's really it for the wing, and then I will show you how to do inner corner. So you want to take a little bit more powder, and you want to just extend your inner corner. So you just want to make a little line, and you want to bring it up a little bit onto like your upper lash line. See, so it looks like it's just part of my eye, and it continues that way, and you can even bring it into your lower lash line a little bit, but you want to keep the inner part pretty pointy. And using an angled brush like this really helps because it helps you get a point, because it already has like that shape. So I literally just take see how it's angled? I take this side, and that's how I line it up, and that's basically it. That's all you do. It's an easy thing to practice. Right before you go to bed, or like not before you go to bed, before you like wash your face and do your skincare, you can just like keep trying your eyeliner, and you can use the eyeshadow and just take it off with a Q-tip or whatever. Like, you can just keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Eyeliner is one of the things you can get good at. So yeah. Now keep watching for the other liners. Okay, so for the second style, or technically the third style of eyeliner I'm going to show you is with a pencil liner. This is I'm using the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade First Espresso. I'm using a brown pencil. You can use brown, black, whatever you want. I'm just gonna use brown because it looks more natural. I'm doing a very natural makeup today. I just did concealer, powder, blush, clear brow gel. I'm gonna do this, some mascara, and I have lip balm on. That's literally it. But I also wanted to say that in between making, like the last clip I did and this clip, I was watching YouTube a few nights ago, and I was watching James Charles videos, and I came across the Eyeliner video that he did showing like guys, or just anyone really, how they can go for like the guy makeup look and stuff, and just like how to do basic makeup kind of. And he did this video that I'm doing right now, teaching you how to do different styles of eyeliner, like literally all the 3 different kind of styles that I'm showing you. So if you want to go watch his, because he's going to explain things clearly a lot better than I do, literally feel free to stop watching this video. Like, I really don't care because he explains it so much better. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to make the video anyway because I was asked for it. But yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm taking a pencil liner. Again, this one is from Essence, and I actually have to sharpen her. Great, give me 1 second. Just sharpened the pencil. So basically how I create like a smudged eyeliner look is I just place the pencil down and then I take a brush to blend it out. I'm gonna take this random like nail brush. It looks like this, but I really like this brush to smudge my eyeliner with. There's no brand on it, but yeah, you can apply it all over your lash line and then smudge it, or just on the outer part. Ooh, or just on the outer part. I'm gonna do on the outer part and then wing it out, but you don't have to do a wing, but this is what I'm gonna show you how to do. So basically all I do is I apply some to my outer corner like that, my outer lash line, and then I take the brush and then I just start to drag it, and then I'm going to start to form the wing. So the same technique kind of as last time, where you want to continue it with your lower lash line. And yeah, I just take more and I keep making the wing. Pretty much like that. And then I'm just going to extend the brown in more so it doesn't look kind of stupid like that. And you can make it even more smudged out and like smoky, but I still want this to look like a wing. So I'm gonna keep mine like this, but yeah, that's basically just how you do it. I'm just gonna keep pulling it out so it's dark on the wing still, because my wing is kind of faded. And you could even like go into the pencil and take it directly on your brush, and then go in and form the wing. Yeah, that's this wing done. So keep watching for the last one, which is going to be like a liquid felt tip kind of eyeliner. So, okay, so we're on to the last type of eyeliner, which is like a normal wing. And then I'm also going to show you how to do the cat eye with a liquid felt tip kind of liner. The one I'm going to be using is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. It's just a black shade. I have most of my makeup done already. I'm gonna do this and then finish my makeup off camera and come back and show you everything done and do the outro and stuff. So yeah, but we're just gonna get started. It's basically the same technique as the other liners that I've showed you how to do. With these liners, they have a very fine tip right there. This is the bristle tip one. They also have like a felt tip, but this one, it's more, I find it's more flexible and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna get started with it. So what I like to do, you can obviously just do a thin line or a thicker line across your whole eye if you want. Usually I do my wing and then I'll stop it like kind of about right here, I would say. Like, I don't bring it all the way across my eye. But sometimes when I do the fox eye, I'll do the whole thing. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do the wing first. So it's just the same how the other ones have been. You start at the, I like to start, this is how I do it. at the corner of my eye, and you want it to go at this angle. You want it to go at the angle that your lower lash line would continue. So I'm just going to make a little line like that, and you can see there's a really fine tip right there. That's what's really nice about these kind of liners, is that you can get a really fine, precise tip. So as you can see here, it just continues with my lower lash line. It's not like this, and it's not like that either. You can see. And then what I do is I don't start bringing the liner in at the very tip of it, because you want to keep that nice and sharp. I started at about the middle, and then I just drag it in like that. So you kind of just make thicker lines, and then I just even it out there, and then I just keep doing that and bringing it in so I get a nicer like angle. And then I kind of start making the line on the lash line. And that's really it. That's all I do. So you can see I don't bring the line in all the way, because I feel like that closes off my eye. So I'm gonna go do this one, and then I'll show you how to do the fox eyes in the corner. So you can try to get them as even as you can. Sometimes they come out even, sometimes they don't. You just kind of got to get lucky. So now from here, when I do this, I usually will do like a brown or something. I don't know if I've ever done a black, but we're gonna be doing it today. So basically it's the same thing as I've been doing. I continue the corner of my upper lash line, and I go not like down, but not straight out either. It's kind of like continuing the tear duct in this kind of line, like that, if you can see there. And then I kind of just connect it up to my upper lash line. You can see there. And then I continue it into my lower lash line. So I'll start from where I drew, and then I go out. And then once I have that line, I just fill in this little space here so it doesn't look like I did it on purpose, and it looks kind of like my eye just naturally goes that way, just like that. So from far away, it looks like my eye continues that way. And then you can add like a black pencil liner. I might do that. I have to decide. I'll show you in the outro. I'll tell you if I do it or not. So I'm just going to do this one and try to make it as even as I can. Sometimes it's going to be a little bit hard. So this is the final look. I didn't do any more eyeliner. I just kept it the way I left it with you, and I did the rest of my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it wasn't, literally just go watch James Charles's Eyeliner video, because he explains eyeliner much better than I can. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, thumbs it up. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!